Hi, my name is Isha. I'm a corporate employee working in Hyderabad, and a few days ago I dislocated my shoulder. I fell somewhere. At that time, I just thought it's a normal, dislocation, and one of my friends helped me just put it back in place. But it was too painful, and I dislocated twice after that. Uh, but then I decided to come back home and get my shoulder checked. तो डॉक्टर रवि गुप्ता को हमने दिखाया फ्यू डेज अगो एंड देन उन्होंने बताया एमआरआई करके कि बैंकार्ट टीयर है मेरे शोल्डर में. तो ही सजेस्टेड सर्जरी जो कि हमने कल किया. लाइक दे डिड अ सर्जरी फॉर मी एंड टुडे आई फील बेटर. आई एम पेन फ्री and now my movements are also fine. I can move my arms very easily. I can practice eating also. So I'm hopefully I'll be fine in a few days.